Hello guys, welcome here Sample Study Ways, and today I will show you how to convert any documents in PDF without any software. Okay guys, oh it's a surprise. I know it's going to very nice. Okay guys, first of all what we want to do here and which files we will going to convert in PDF. Guys, I am showing to you I am showing to you a way that you can use, and all kind of PDF files you can make it. Okay guys, first of all we are here in Microsoft Word. Okay guys, and I am typing here hello all guys, I hope you all be right and enjoying. Okay guys, enjoying your life. Okay guys, it is the first, and if we want this, okay guys, and here we can make it bigger little more. Okay, and one. Okay guys, I want to make it a little bit bigger and bold. One JPG, one images we will make. Second image, one image. Okay guys, I am going to convert it. And third Excel file. Okay guys, and fourth ms Word file I'm going to convert in PDF. Okay guys, here, so don't worry, be patient. And one more thing, 5, any document. Okay friends, from net or inter internet guys, internet. It means like you want a Facebook image. Okay friends, you want to Facebook and YouTube and whatever you want to make it, you like a browser. Okay, browser in PDF. Okay guys, I think it's all things of done. Okay, it's enough. Images and Excel file and MS Word, and that kind of I am going to show you. It is the anything. Okay guys, and I will convert notepad 2. Okay guys, notepad 2. Here I am writing note. Oh guys, okay, here 6 notepad. Okay guys, and notepad plus plus. If you want to make your query, okay guys, maybe you will make your query in notepad. I will show you how to make convert in PDF. I think it's enough guys. Okay, without any software, offline. So first of all we will going to show you the images. Here is the my images. Okay guys, and I am just selecting all. Okay guys, and like this, and giving this order print. Okay guys, it's now available in print, so by default full size. Okay guys, here is the which format you want to select it, you can select. After that you come here. Okay guys, here see the Xoro, it's my printer, but you don't find here. Go just here printers, and what you seeing here, you have to see. You can see the escape notepad and PDF micro print for PDF. Okay guys, it is the micro print of PDF. it will go and there is the save and PDF. Okay guys, I think there is microprint install free and okay, I think it's guys. Okay, done and print. So when I give it order in print, okay guys, it will appear okay in save. Yani it means the window pop up ask me you want to save. Okay, save which folder and which file, anything. Or okay guys, I want to make a folder name everything convert in PDF. Okay guys, and I want to save here, it is images, printing, blah blah blah. Okay guys, oh, and we make this folder everything convert in just PDF. Now I am opening it. Okay guys, here's you can see, and you can see also it is in PDF. So now what, now we will convert just a image. Okay guys, like we just open this. Okay guys, and give it order print, control P on your screen. Okay friends, here the keyboard, and like that you can see here micro print to PDF. Okay, print. They will show you where we want to save this file or folder. Okay, we was make the folder everything convert in PDF, and we want to this one image. Okay guys, and this is going to be convert, and we are going to here and one image. Okay guys, here is the image converted in PDF file. I hope you enjoying this. Now I am going to Microsoft Word. Okay friend, I am using this is finished and this is finished, and while we now work with Excel file, and we just open Excel file. Oh, blah blah blah. Okay guys, here I want to make it like a Josh. Okay guys, and Jamie, and here is the money or everything, blah 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 blah, like this, and total. Okay guys, equal and sum sum and e4 plus, not it means plus f4 bracket close. Okay friends, if now we change everything, you can see here or what you want to this. Okay guys, what you want to do. So if you want to save, you can save, or already saved file you control P. Control P, you see here, it is chosen by default micro print to PDF. Okay guys, if you not, you have to choose it by select on your printer, and you can choose from there. And Microsoft, you can okay, just press okay, yes, 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 and select that folder and directory where you want to download, where you want to save it. Okay guys, I hope you will enjoying it and understanding. Excel file is here, and I want to give it the name Excel file. Okay guys, let's see and go there and open it and confirm. Let me confirm it was the right or not? Okay guys, if it is the decorated and you want to let type more things, you can uh, convert your all kind of work in PDF. So guys, there is the Microsoft Word. Excel file is gone to done, and now I am going to Microsoft Word. You see the all work, it is the opened by already, and I have right here in Microsoft Word. I want to just write the Control P and blah blah blah. Here you can see the printer and micro printer to PDF. It is by default selected because I was selected already, but if you don't, you have to go name printer and micro printer to PDF. Okay guys, I think you are understanding it, and just click, and after that the pop-up windows will be come open. Okay guys, and everything convert in here, and I am going to have MS Word. Okay guys, and just save it, and let me check it is converted or not. Yes guys, it is converted, and you can see this PDF file already. I hope you enjoying this, and let's see what is next. Okay guys, it is notepad. Okay, just a simple notepad. I have already opened it, and I want to select all things, and just here copy and paste. Okay guys, and just give it the order of printed and macro printed to PDF. You have to select it and save it the like that. I was working. Guys, I hope you enjoying it and understanding very well. Okay guys, and it is the way you will the enjoy, and you can convert anything in PDF, notepad. Okay guys, and it will be appear here. Yo, I don't, it is depend on its if I want to save and save. Okay friends, it is here, gentle and everything. Guys, now I am showing to you that way. If you want to the coding, your coding in PDF, just control P, and that the same way I was asking you macro printer to PDF, and just print and control. Okay guys, and if you want to save here desktop, and which folder you want, notepad plus plus, notepad plus plus, notepad. Okay guys, notepad plus plus, and save it. So now I am going to on internet documents. If you want to anything, you just click on your browser. Okay guys, and I am going to open the my internet. Okay guys, and my Wi-Fi. Yeah. Oh, there is no internet guys. Yeah, there is no. Okay guys, I am okay. I want to open what I can open here. Guys, I want to go open YouTube. Okay guys, after YouTube I'm going to my channel. Okay guys, I am going to my channel, and after go my channel customization. Okay guys, customization, and after if I want to here, okay guys, then I can just control P and save as PDF. Okay guys, save as PDF. You can see here, if you use printer or more, but no, I want to in PDF save, then I have to save it, and after that it will be confirmed. Okay, desktop and here by internet. Okay guys, I want to add something simple study with, it's my YouTube channel guys, by internet. internet guys, and let's check. Okay guys, by internet simple study ways, and it is in video. I hope you understand very well and enjoying this, and thank you so much watching this video. Please support me and subscribe my YouTube channel and bell the icon for latest update my video, and hit the like button if you like my work. Thank you so much guys, giving your time.